Hi there. First time?
Yeah.
Hi there. First time?
Yeah.
Nervous?
A little.
Nervous?
A little.
No worries. Just a trim?
Yes. Not too short.
No worries. Just a trim?
Yes. Not too short.
Got it. You have nice hair.
Thanks.
Got it. You have nice hair.
Thanks.
What's the occasion?
I have an interview.
What's the occasion?
I have an interview.
Oh. Where?
A dental clinic.
Oh. Where?
A dental clinic.
Nice. You'll do great.
I hope so.
Nice. You'll do great.
I hope so.
So, what do you do for fun?
I draw. Sometimes bake.
So, what do you do for fun?
I draw. Sometimes bake.
Yum. What do you bake?
Brownies.
Yum. What do you bake?
Brownies.
My favorite. Fudgy?
Yes.
My favorite. Fudgy?
Yes.
Good choice.
Do you talk this much with everyone?
Good choice.
Do you talk this much with everyone?
Yep. Want me to stop?
No. It's okay.
Yep. Want me to stop?
No. It's okay.
You're doing fine. Almost done.
Is it still long?
You're doing fine. Almost done.
Is it still long?
Yep. Just cleaner.
Good.
Yep. Just cleaner.
Good.
You're braver than you think.
I almost didn't come.
You're braver than you think.
I almost didn't come.
But you did.
Yeah.
But you did.
Yeah.
Ready to see?
I guess.
Ready to see?
I guess.
Tardier.
Oh. I like it.
Tardier.
Oh. I like it.
Told YA.
Thank you.
Told YA.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Good luck tomorrow.
Thanks, really.
You're welcome. Good luck tomorrow.
Thanks, really.